What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to do a bit of a vlog style. We are here at 5 and Below, and I'm going to try to shop for some inexpensive home decor items. So we're going to see what we can find. Shantae's with me today. This is my first time here, by the way. I've never been to this store, so we about to see what we can come up on. Buggy. Is it the kind with the wheels? Oh yeah, this is the kind I like, y'all. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right, y'all, so we have not made it to the home decor section just yet, but I'm noticing my first time in here, this would be a great place to go shopping for Christmas. Like, for real, for real. They got so many cool things, and for $5 or less, you really can't beat it. Do y'all remember this? I used to want one of these so bad. I used to want one of these so bad. All right, y'all. Shantae tried to get me sidetracked, but I know what I'm here for.
Little makeup and eyeshadows and stuff for people, you know, just in case.
She's trying to get me sidetracked, y'all. But look, I'm holding it strong. My basket is empty.
I got brushes and mascara.
Oh, look at the fake little Yeezys. They cute. So now this is what we're here for.
Sushi, Wi-Fi, naps.
Definitely my
All
kids. Definitely. They love sushi. And all they do is sleep. Living the dream. These some cute pillows. I'm gonna shop. I'm gonna see what I can find, and when I get home, I'll do a haul and show y'all everything that I found. All right, y'all, so I made it back home, and I'm gonna show you the home decor pieces that I found. Now at 5 and Below, of course, everything is $5 and under, and this is not a sponsored video at all. I purchased everything with my own money, but everything is $5 and under. So I wasn't expecting to find like real I wasn't expecting to find like quality pieces, but I was surprised at what I found, and they actually had a lot of good stuff. I was actually really surprised. As soon as I went in there, I'm like, Christmas, this is where we're gonna be at, because it was just so much little cool stuff, and all for $5 or under. So as far as the home decor section, most of the stuff was kind of like dorm room vibes, which was fine, because the room that I'm doing is actually for the kids. It's a hangout room. So my children, well, besides Fat Daddy, he's 4, but the other kids are preteen and teenage, so it actually worked out pretty well. So I have a couple of futons coming, and my theme for this room is gonna be like neon, pretty much. So I got some bright colored futons and some different things coming. So I'll just show you what I was able to get there. They had a bunch of cute little pillows, y'all, and these are so soft. So you see, this is I don't know if y'all can tell, but this is like a lime green. This is cute. I found this one. Have this one that says "Leave Me Alone," and then this one here, it says "Take More Naps." So this is very like teenagery to me. And because the futons that I got are so bright, I didn't want to have accent pillows that were going to be super bright. So these black and whites actually, I think, are going to look great. And then I found this area rug, which was $5. Now this area rug is only a 3x5. So what I did, I got 2 of them, and I'm going to put them together to make a bigger area rug. And the fabric, y'all, is, I'm telling y'all, I'm just really surprised. I'm extremely surprised by the feel of this. This thing is actually really nice. And for $5, you cannot beat that. And it's like a jute type of material. And this is what the rug looks like. So it's really cool. I mean, I just don't feel like you can beat this for $5. Not at all. All right, y'all, so some other things that I found that were not at Five and Below. I found some other stuff at the Family Dollar. Yeah, I found some other stuff at Family Dollar, but this stuff was $5 or below except for one item that I had to get, and I'll just start with that one. It is this letter board. So they had one of these at Five and Below, but it was much smaller. So when I went into Family Dollar, they had this one, and it was $8, but I was okay spending the extra $3 because the size that it is, which I think is a pretty good size, and you can see it comes with all of the letters. So I think this is really cute, and $8 is still a steal. And I also found this storage cube, a mermaid storage cube, which I thought was really cool. And this one is also, as you can see, $5. So I'm going to be doing a hangout room makeover. We have a room for the kids and we call it the hangout room, just their little area where they can kind of chill in there. So I'm going to be doing that makeover very soon. It's going to be coming up, and you guys will get to see how I'm going to style these items. So I hope you enjoyed this haul. You can definitely find some nice home decor or room decor things for $5 and under, with the exception of a few things, but you can definitely still find some really good things on a budget. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and leave any questions in the comment section below, and I will see you on the next video.